Hello guys, welcome back to new video, and in today's video we are looking for a general type of question which can make you think like how do herbivores or some other animals digest cellulose if they lack cellulase enzyme. Now what is the reason behind this? The cellulose is only found in the plant cells. We are known about that. So how the digestion of the cellulose takes place in the animals? Isn't it a question to be asked? Yes, it is. Okay. See that here I've just shown you a diagram of a cow, which shows that uh, they, simply the thing is simple. The one which herbivores, especially which eat grass, so the grass contains cellulose because that is a plant form. So how the animal which is uh, surviving on this grass or some other crop digest the cellulose part. Now here the question arises. In humans this is not possible. While in humans in some cases there are also some microorganisms in our stomach as well, but they have got a limit to digest. But these herbivores are eating cellulose all the day long. What is the reason of the digestion in these? First of all, let me tell you Trump over here that uh, these sort of organisms which can digest the cellulose after being herbivore or after surviving on the crop, they are known as ruminants. Ruminants. Okay, ruminants organisms. So this is a cow, and you're gonna see some other organisms over here as well. And of course, these all are ruminants. This includes the bear and some kind of other fishes like we have got. Basically, the simple one is the goat and the cow. Now over here I've got some explanation diagram for you that you need to know. That first of all, let me read this diagram for you. See over here that a few animals with the ruminant digestive systems. Now here this system is known as digestive system. Uh, it is found in goats, giraffe, and all that have four complex stomach. Like they are having sorry, they are even having more complex digestive systems than humans. They have got four different components as found part of the complex, and the four stomachs are called the rumen. Now here comes the name of the four complex: the rumen, reticulum, omesum, and obemosum. Okay. Uh, Herbivores are usually ruminant organisms. Here comes the point because they are surviving on the cellulose, right? Okay, let me move further on. Now here you're gonna see that uh, let's move on this picture first. Here you're gonna see that here we've got the cow eating its food, then it's gone into the esophagus, then there is a pathway, a different pathway than humans which it travels. Number one, it goes into the reticulum. This is the second chamber. So first of all, this is the first and the largest chamber of the stomach. Now here comes the point. After going to the esophagus, is instead of going into reticulum, which is nearby to the mouth region, it goes to the rumen. Now rumen is the place where whole the process of cellulose digestion takes place. Now here the partial digestion takes place. Now just listen to my points, you will get the concept. As the food is taken, the food goes to the rumen part first, and in the rumen part, the cellulose partial digestion takes place, and there is not complete digestion, of course. So what will happen next? Then uh, some of the food may pass to the second chamber. After the partial digestion, that is the reticulum, or some then pass to the third chamber, which is the smallest and third ovum, and then finally to the last chamber. Now, there is a point in between that we have got partial digestion. So, what about the full digestion? So, there is a process in the ruminants that they can, you know, send their send their food, this partially digested food, back into the mouth. That is antiparallel path, or that is opposite pathway of the food entry. Like this is of course not possible or not valid in humans, but here it is. This is the reason you're gonna see that many animals or ruminants especially are chewing their mouth. You're gonna observe this when you go to a village or see any animal, that they are chewing their mouth, something is their mouth even though they are not eating something. What is the reason? The reason comes here that the partially digested cellulose goes again back to the mouth, and then the chewing makes its complete digestion, then it again goes back and then travels to the path. Now here this is a complete process and many people don't know about it. Same is in this case, like the food is chewed twice. Now here the twice word shows that once the basic chewing, and the second one is a antiparallel path, uh, food transfer, and that back again to the mouth, and here again the cellulose digestion takes place. While in humans you're gonna see that there are some microorganisms, especially some sort of bacteria, which are uh, performing cellulose digestion, and uh, here you're gonna see that here it is also mentioned that there are fermentation sites. Uh, some in the cecum is also happening, but the major part is over here for the cellulose digestion. And of course, as the cellulose is partially digested, so it is getting absorbed as well. Now, in the ruminants, the partially digested cellulose majorly leaves behind, and the rest of the components of the food travel forward. While the rumen in this rumen, we have got cellulose, which again goes to the mouth, and here from here this type of digestion takes place. So I do hope that you've got a concept. If you did, do like the video. Meet you guys in the next video. Till that, goodbye.